Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Jumi and I make and teach food recipes on this channel. So please subscribe to my channel. So today we are going to be making moi moi with nylon, so let's get cooking. I have peeled the beans already. I used honey beans for this recipe, 2.5 cups of honey beans. So I have peeled this already, so I'm just going to leave the beans in the water to soak for 30 minutes. Soaking the beans before blending will help make the moi moi soft and fluffy, so it's better to soak it before blending. So I'll be using shombo pepper and 3 bulbs of red onion for this recipe. This is what I'll be blending with my beans. I would also be adding crayfish when I'm blending. Blending crayfish with your beans will help take the taste of your moi moi from 50 to 100. So I like to always add crayfish when blending my beans. So at this point, my beans is already soaked, so I'll go ahead to blend everything together. So this is my mixture after blending. It's still a bit thick, so you can add water to lighten it up. But for me, I'll be adding fish stock to help me lighten the batter. After adding the fish stock, I got the right consistency for my moi moi batter. So now I'll add my Maggi crayfish. I tell you, this seasoning cube is a banger when it comes to making moi moi. So I prefer to use Maggi crayfish. I would also add salt and mix this together well. Now it's time to add vegetable oil to our mixture. I'm going to add the vegetable oil and mix everything together. This will be the last ingredient I'll be adding to this batter. So here I have my Titus fish. I'll be using this for the moi moi. I made sure to remove the bones in the fish. Also, this is a nylon I'll be using to make this recipe. We call this nylon ice water nylon here in Nigeria. So I'll go ahead to open the nylon. You don't need to blow air in your nylon, just open it up with your hands and then you scoop in your butter into the nylon. I won't be adding too much butter into my nylon because the way I mixed my butter from scratch, the moi moi is going to rise during cooking. So if I add too much butter, my nylon might burst while the moi moi is rising during cooking. I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain. So now I'm going to add my fish also. Then I'm going to tie the nylon. So while I was tying the batter up, I had already set a pot of water on fire, so it's getting hot already. So I'm going to just place everything in the pot and cover it up to cook for 30 to 40 minutes. After 30 minutes, the moi moi is ready. You can see how it looks in the pot. Very, very ready. You know, I told you the other time that the moi moi is going to rise. Look at it. See how it rose. So I'm going to pick out one for you to see the end result. So if you got your mixture right and your moi moi is well cooked, it will come out easily from the nylon like you can see here. So our moi moi is ready, well cooked, tasty, yummy. Give this moi moi a try and come back to testify. If you like this video, please press the like button and drop a comment. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please support me by subscribing to my channel. I hope you learned from this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.